Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add advance payments in Zoho Books. This is helpful if your clients pay before the service or product delivery. So once you've logged into your Zoho Books account, you will be redirected to the dashboard, which is this right here. So what you will have to do once you're on the dashboard is you will go to the sales section, and you will just have to look for payments received, which is right here. And then what you will have to do is click this plus button right here, and then of course you will just have to choose your customer. So what you will have to do is select the customer paying in the advance, so for example this person right here. And what you will have to do next is input payment amount. So yeah, um and now you will just have to fill in everything so that according to your needs, or according to you. So yeah, of course, you do have to input your payment amount, the mode of the payment, which is either cash or bank transfer, um, or something else. So yeah, it really depends on you. And of course, the payment date and bank charges if there's any. And you will of course um and for the reference, but it's really optional, it depends on you. And of course, after that, you will just have to apply to invoice or keep as credit. You will apply the payment to an existing invoice or keep as credit for the future invoices. And once you're done with everything, after you're done filling in everything, you will just have to click save, which is right here. So just go ahead and click that. And yeah, as you can see, it has been added. And yeah, that's basically just it. And if you would want a receipt, then you will just have to print it, or it really depends on the version that you have. But yeah, that's basically how you can add advance payments in Zoho Books to manage your client prepayments effectively. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.